Alright, redoing a little project here on the side of the house, and originally, believe it or not, I was using two boxes for all these electrical connections, and what I had to do was have one this way and one the other way with the door, and then like all the wires were here. I'm going to see if I could utilize this box. At the time, believe it or not, I never saw this thing on good old Amazon. This one's deeper, and hopefully it could just fit everything all in. And what I'm talking about is this, all this stuff. This is my landscape lighting and everything else, and I do use a Genie, which is really an indoor plug for, let's say, your computer or whatever. But I have that on my app, and that's what I like to use. The outdoor one doesn't really give you 6, so this is the way I have to do things sometimes. And these things here are for like my front lights, the rear lights, the middle lights. They're all different ones. I do believe I could fit all this crap in there and get everything going, and then clean up this zone. It will look a lot better, because this was kind of like, let's see. All right, definitely a lot of stuff in this box, and I still have to snake 2 into 1, as you can see here. But I think I'm gonna get it. I don't think it will be an issue closing this thing, and then I can clean up this area and move on to other projects.